During the conflict in Ukraine, Russia deployed a diverse range of tactics, each of which demonstrated remarkable effectiveness on the battlefield. As Russia continues to increase the intensity of its attacks, Ukraine is struggling to deal with this powerful force. At the same time, Russia constantly displays its military power in the media, presenting advanced technologies as an irresistible war machine. In March 2024, the Russian Ministry of Defense announced a new weapon, the Integrated Launch and Calibration Module, designed for use with conventional FAB-3000 bombs. They claim to have begun mass production of UMP and highlight the huge potential of this new combination. With the devastating power of the FAB-3000 bomb and the high accuracy of the UMP, this combination promises to be a significant advancement in Russia's arsenal. But how can Russia be sure that this combination of technologies will guide the bomb accurately to its target? And will this cause serious problems for Ukraine and NATO? It is considered one of Russia's largest and most powerful unguided bombs. However, its disadvantage is always that the accuracy is not high. This changed with the introduction of UMP, an integrated system that gives bombs the ability to automatically adjust and guide themselves to the target. UMP uses advanced sensors and GPS systems for precise positioning, minimizing errors and increasing the ability to destroy targets. This combination not only brings high economic efficiency but also enhances precision attack capabilities. In the current context, when Ukraine and its NATO allies are seeking to prevent Russian expansion, UMP could become a serious threat. The high accuracy of the FAB-3000 bomb, with the support of the UMP, can cause great damage and increase pressure on Ukraine. Whether NATO can find a way to deal with this technological advancement of Russia is still a question without a clear answer. But one thing is certain, the combination of the FAB-3000 bomb and the UMP will continue to be an important element in Russia's military strategy and can reshape the landscape of war in this region. According to Russia's announcement, the production of 3,000 integrated launch and calibration module devices for the FAB-3000 bomb did not make everyone jump and clap. Instead, it invites skepticism from countries competing in the war. They asked, how could such a heavy bomb, when paired with the UMP device, guide itself so precisely to its target? The Russian Air Force promptly demonstrated this by launching initial attacks. Although some bombs missed the mark, this is not too embarrassing as they were still important and caused significant damage. Russian experts quickly fixed problems that arose with the UMP FAB-3000. This bomb is now equipped with larger fins and more powerful actuators for surface control, ready to enter the battlefield. The journey of FAB-3000 UMP is not over yet. It continues to be developed to cripple Ukraine. Sputnik on July 16th reported that Russian experts are increasing the range of the current FAB-3000 UMP bomb from 50 to 60 kilometers. This can actually be a scary process if its scope expands further. Along with increased production of FAB-1500 and FAB-500 bombs, mass production of FAB-3000 has also begun. Russia is indeed moving towards these smart bombs, marking Russia's expanded military capabilities in addressing current conflict dynamics. Russia is making significant developments to increase the range of the FAB-3000 UMP, ensuring that remote attacks can be carried out with greater precision. If this bomb's range continues to expand, it will become an extremely dangerous strategic tool for Ukraine and could pose a major threat to NATO forces supporting this country. Not only stopping at improving the capabilities of the FAB-3000 bomb, Russia also increased production of other bombs, such as FAB-1500 and FAB-500, showing Russia's careful preparation and long-term military strategy this country. These smart bombs not only help Russia maintain superiority on the battlefield, but also demonstrate its technological strength and ability to respond to current challenges. The fact that Russia quickly overcomes technical problems and continuously improves the FAB-3000 UMP bomb shows their determination to apply advanced technology to enhance combat effectiveness. Although concerns and skepticism remain, These advances cannot deny Russia's strength and formidable capabilities on the battlefield. So why are there concerns around these smart bombs? It can be seen that the FAB-3000 is designed as a strategic bombing weapon with an impressive weight of 3,000 kilograms. Its size and weight allow it to contain a large amount of explosives, creating a destructive power superior to many other conventional bombs. This makes the FAB-3000 a formidable tool in operations targeting critical infrastructure and large military targets. One of the outstanding features of the FAB-3000 is its ability to penetrate solid structures. Its design allows the bomb to penetrate deep into buildings, bunkers, or even underground structures before detonating. This greatly increases the effectiveness of destruction, especially against protected or strongly built targets. FAB-3000 makes a strong impression with a debris dispersion radius of up to 260 meters. This means that a large area will be affected when the bomb explodes. Deadly debris can spread over a significant area, endangering anyone within this range. The destructive power of the FAB-3000 is not limited to direct impact. The shockwave from the explosion can also cause serious damage to nearby structures and cause injury to people far from the explosion point. The strategic goal in designing the FAB-3000 was said to be to attack major strategic targets. Russia claims to have developed new tactics to increase the accuracy of the FAB-3000. This includes the integration of advanced navigation systems, which may use GPS or inertial navigation methods. If these innovations prove effective, they could overcome one of the main limitations of traditional unguided bombs: limited accuracy. However, there are still many doubts surrounding the actual effectiveness of these improvements. Military experts question Russia's ability to mass-produce these complex guidance systems, especially in the context of current economic sanctions. Furthermore, the effectiveness of these systems in real combat conditions, especially in the face of modern electronic defense measures, has not yet been fully proven. And partly the arrival of FAB-3000 has raised serious concerns about the humanitarian impact. Human rights organizations and international observers have expressed deep concern about the use of such powerful weapons in populated areas. The appearance of the FAB-3000 forced opposing parties, especially Ukraine, to reconsider their defense strategies. The international community has also reacted with concern over the development and deployment of FAB-3000. Many countries and organizations have called for restraint in the use of weapons of high destructive power in populated areas. Some countries have proposed strengthening international regulations on the use of weapons capable of causing widespread damage. In the context of the tense Russia-Ukraine conflict, both sides are making efforts to develop and deploy the most advanced military strategies. Ukraine, with steadfast support from NATO, is applying many modern tactics and technologies. Faced with this situation, Russia has accelerated the process of developing weapons, especially the FAB-3000 bomb. FAB-3000 is Russia's heavy bomb, but in the past it still had some significant shortcomings. Russian military developers admitted that the bomb was likely to miss its target and experience steering errors. However, they are quickly overcoming these problems to improve the accuracy and range of their weapons. Russia's new strategy focuses on the use of a dedicated universal calibration and planning module for the FAB-3000. This is an important step forward compared to the previous traditional version. Although modifying the UMP for this type of unguided bomb requires a lot of effort, Russian engineers believe that the results will be very positive if they can combine the components correctly. With new improvements, the FAB-3000 is expected to become a highly accurate guided bullet. The bomb is equipped with foldable wings and tail fins, allowing it to fly longer distances. The highlight of the new design is the satellite navigation system integrated into the UMP, which helps guide the bomb to the target accurately. These improvements not only improve the effectiveness of weapons, but also change Russia's tactics of use. Aware of the threat from Ukraine's air defense system, Russian bombers will no longer fly into enemy airspace. Instead, they will drop the FAB-3000 from a safe distance, taking advantage of the long range and high accuracy of this improved bomb. So it can be seen that the development of the FAB-3000 poses a new challenge for Ukraine in dealing with threats from the air. So what is that challenge? How to overcome the threat of Russia's FAB-3000 bomb? This could lead to a new arms race, when Ukraine and its NATO allies may have to find ways to upgrade their air defense systems and develop countermeasures to this new Russian weapon. This type of bomb, although highly effective in causing damage to the target, still has a number of limitations and weaknesses that Ukraine can exploit to deal with it. The FAB-3000 is a bomb with a large weight and bulky size, requiring it to be transported by large bombers such as the Tu-22M3. This creates both challenges and opportunities for Ukraine in dealing with the threat. Although effective, bombs can malfunction or fail to detonate in some cases, creating weaknesses that Ukraine can exploit. To deal with this challenge, Ukraine is implementing many different strategies. They are working to strengthen their ability to intercept Russian bombers before they have a chance to drop bombs. Another strategy is to target bombers while they are still on the ground to prevent attacks at the source. However, Ukraine is facing many difficulties in implementing these strategies. According to sources, Ukraine currently does not have enough air defense systems to effectively deal with the threat from the FAB-3000. Furthermore, they did not have equivalent bombs to respond on the battlefield. The situation became even more difficult when there were reports that some bombs supplied by the US did not work as expected in real combat conditions. Faced with this situation, Ukraine has promoted the development of its own glide bomb and called on allies to provide more air defense support. This also shows Ukraine's efforts in finding technological and diplomatic solutions to deal with new challenges. Despite facing many difficulties, the spirit and courage of the Ukrainian people remained undiminished. The inspirational leadership of military commanders, especially General Valery Zaluzhny, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, together with the determination of the entire nation, is helping Ukraine to face this challenge steadfastly, strong. However, the question remains, can the FAB-3000 with the new UMP guidance system maintain high accuracy in the long term after many tests? And what strategy should Ukraine and its allies adopt to respond effectively? As the conflict continues, the international community is closely monitoring the situation and how Ukraine responds to this challenge. The development of military technology and countermeasures will continue to play an important role in the course of the conflict in the near future. Meanwhile, Ukraine and its allies need to continue efforts to find effective solutions to deal with the threat from FAB-3000. This could include strengthening air defense systems, developing counterbalancing technology, and increasing international cooperation in the defense sector. Only by combining these measures can Ukraine hope to overcome this important challenge and protect its national security against the growing threat from Russia. Russia's revelation of new tactics to increase the accuracy of the FAB-3000 bomb has created an important turning point in the conflict. This improvement not only improves Russia's combat effectiveness, but also poses new challenges for Ukraine and its allies. However, history has proven that no weapon is invincible. With international support, creativity in defense strategy, and the resilient spirit of its people, Ukraine still has a chance to overcome this challenge. The military technology race between the two sides will continue, and only time will tell whether the improved FAB-3000 is truly the game-changing weapon as Russia claims. Thank you for watching the video on today's topic. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to update the latest information on the Russia-Ukraine conflict situation. We want to hear from you. What strategy do you think Ukraine should adopt to deal with this new threat? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next in-depth analysis videos. See you in the next video.